Since all the excitement is now over from the Aruba International Beach Tennis Tournament, I was able to sit down one-on-one with Maraike from Germany, who was one of the biggest winners from the event this year. So I spoke to Maraike about her likes and dislikes about playing the tournament in Aruba, and also she gives the players on the island a few tips as to what to do to become professional. Maraike Biglmaier is currently ranked 9th in the world for beach tennis. But once the points from Aruba's big tournament gets added on, she will be closer to the top. Maraike started the sport in 2011. She has garnered tremendous success since then. The former tennis player reveals the pros and cons of playing the sport here.
Aruba, what I dislike, that's very, very hard. Well, actually I can tell you one thing is this. Is the wind that is not constant, that is just sometimes blowing a lot and then not at all. It's very hard for us beach tennis players to manage that. But other than that, Aruba is just amazing. It's an amazing place for beach tennis. The people are very relaxed. They enjoy this sport. You see this from like every kind of age. The kids enjoy it. A little bit older people and even like the masters. They have a lot of fun. So it's great. It's a great atmosphere to play here. And of course you have. I don't know, my family asked me, like the forecast was raining, it was supposed to rain every day. I think it meant the 3 minutes every day that it rains, but actually we have perfect weather here every day, so it's just great.
Maraike has committed herself fully to the beach tennis sport. She travels around the world to compete. She tells us what it is about beach tennis she is so passionate about.
I love that it's a lot of action inside, you know. You dive, you throw yourself in the sand. It's if you touch the ground in tennis, everybody is like shocked. Oh my God, she got injured. No, here it's normal. In almost every point, it's like this. Yeah? This is what I really love about this sport. Is also that it's a double. You know, it's a team sport. You cannot win alone, and you cannot also not lose alone. So you always do everything together as a team, and it's great.
Players from Aruba has yet to reach Maraike's level, or the level the Italians and Brazilians play in. There hasn't been Aruban representation in the semifinals or finals in the open division for the tournament on the island. Maraike advises players on the island to venture to the country that molds the best players.
In Italy, you can play every day on the highest level you want to play. So it's a great advantage for your beach tennis to get better. I think the problem is if you only play with the same people all the time, you may be stuck at some point of your level because you don't get new influences. So bringing new people here for organizing clinics, for bringing some new inputs, and maybe also traveling to tournaments in Europe or in Italy is definitely what I would suggest for the Aruban players as well.